Apart from this, there are few signs of a lockdown in a country that has just passed the mark of 5 million COVID-19 cases. Rio's Sambadrome has been closed indefinitely, and next year's carnival parade postponed until a COVID-19 vaccine is on the market. But that isn't keeping people from dancing samba on the streets, with no social distancing and very few masks. All as Brazil reaches 150,000 COVID-19 related deaths, the second largest number in the world.
I feel that people, especially here in the slums, act as if nothing were happening, as if the pandemic were over. Bars are crowded, few people wear masks, everybody acts relaxed. But the truth is, hundreds are dying every day.
The fact that President Jair Bolsonaro has been downplaying the virus even after having contracted it does not help. Health professionals are worried that a second wave will arrive before the first one is over.
Brazil is reopening its economy, but the authorities never implemented a complete lockdown. Now, 6 months later, it will be even more difficult to restrict activities. The population is tired of the pandemic.
Researcher FERNANDO BOZZA says the best way to keep the virus under control is by increasing the testing. He is part of a task force created by doctors, scientists, and volunteers from 9 different organizations. The idea is to bring health and communication professionals to Rio's most vulnerable areas, like the Complexo da Maré. There are 16 slums in the Complexo da Maré. 140,000 people live here. The population is bigger than that of 97% of Brazilian cities. Tests have shown that the number of infections in poor areas can be 4 times greater than in rich neighborhoods. By tracking down people who have the virus, they hope to stop it from spreading.
We're trying to do what should have been done in the beginning. Once we identify where the clusters are, then we can see who they have been in contact with and work with the community to help them isolate or receive treatment, even online.
But catching up with the virus in a country of 200 million is not an easy task. Yanakiew, Jazeera, Rio de Janeiro.